Are you looking for the top 5 tankless water heaters in 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 tankless water heaters in 2026 on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Portable 5.26 GPM Tankless Propane Water Heater. The Tankless Propane Water Heater 5.26 GPM 20L provides instant, reliable hot water wherever you need it. Designed for outdoor and portable use, this gas-powered water heater is perfect for camping trips, boat cabins, RV use, outdoor showers, and off-grid living. With a high 5.26 GPM flow rate, it delivers continuous hot water on demand. No preheating or bulky storage tanks required. The built-in digital display allows easy temperature monitoring and adjustment, ensuring comfortable and precise control. Multiple safety protection features, including flame failure protection, overheating protection, and low water pressure protection, offer peace of mind during operation. Its compact and lightweight design makes transport and installation simple, even in remote locations. Powered by propane, this water heater is energy efficient and dependable, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who want modern comfort in nature. Durable construction and user-friendly operation make it a practical solution for portable hot water anytime, anywhere. Number 2. 110V Electric Tankless Water Heater 3500W. The 110V Electric Tankless Water Heater 3500W delivers instant, on-demand hot water in a compact and energy-efficient design. Built for indoor or outdoor use, this whole-house capable unit heats water only when needed, eliminating standby heat loss and helping reduce energy costs. With adjustable power output up to 3500W, it provides fast and consistent hot water for sinks, showers, kitchens, and utility applications. The integrated LED temperature display allows precise, real-time monitoring and easy control for comfortable water temperatures. Designed with safety and durability in mind, the heater includes multiple protection features to ensure stable operation and long service life. Its sleek black finish blends seamlessly into modern spaces, while the space-saving, wall-mounted design makes installation simple even in limited areas. Backed by 5 years of quality assurance, this electric tankless water heater is a reliable solution for homeowners seeking efficient performance, modern convenience, and dependable hot water whenever it's needed. Number 3. APUS Tankless Water Heater Electric 240V. Instant endless hot water. APUS 4.5 kW tankless electric water heater delivers hot water in 3 seconds. No preheating or waiting. With a temperature range of 85 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, enjoy consistent, on-demand hot water for sinks, kitchens. Perfect for single-point use. It eliminates standby energy loss and wasteful tank storage. Smart energy efficiency. Our self-modulating technology adjusts power, 99.8% efficiency, based on water flow and temperature, reducing energy waste. Unlike traditional heaters, APUS only heats water when needed, saving up to 50% on electricity bills. No more paying to keep a tank warm. Touch control and compact design. Adjust water temperature with precision using the LED touchscreen. Simple, responsive, and user-friendly. The ultra-slim design, 8.7 inches by 6.5 inches by 2.6 inches, fits effortlessly under sinks or cramped spaces, making it ideal for apartments, kitchens, bathrooms, and commercial setups like salons or cafes. No wasted space, no clutter, just instant hot water where you need it. The APUS tankless water heater is engineered for safe, reliable operation with built-in overheating protection, dry burn prevention, and anti-leakage technology. Its advanced internal shockproof system, anti-electric wall design, ensures extra safety by preventing electrical hazards. The high-quality cast aluminum heating element enhances durability while resisting corrosion and scale buildup, delivering long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Number 4. 110V 3000W Electric Tankless Water Heater. The 110V Electric Tankless Water Heater 3000W is a compact, high-performance solution for instant hot water on demand. Designed for under-sink installation, It provides quick and reliable heating for kitchens, bathrooms, or small utility areas without the bulk of traditional water tanks. With a 3000 W heating element, it delivers steady hot water instantly, ensuring comfort and convenience whenever you need it. Equipped with a digital display and remote control, this unit allows precise temperature adjustments, so you can set the water exactly to your preferred warmth. Its smart design includes multiple safety protections, such as overheating protection, dry heating prevention, and overcurrent safeguards, giving you peace of mind during daily use. Compact yet powerful, the sleek design fits easily under sinks or in tight spaces, while offering efficient energy use. Perfect for modern homes, apartments, or cabins, this tankless water heater ensures instant, safe, and reliable hot water at any time. Number 5. Portable 3.66 GPM tankless propane water heater. Efficient and energy saving. With advanced combustion technology, our tankless water heater propane decreases consumption and burning noise while providing 85,300 BTU/hour of power. Enjoy instant, endless hot water wherever you are and save money with our 10% energy-saving technology. Product specification. The propane water heater boasts a maximum output power of 85,300 BTU/hour, reaching temperatures as hot as 113 degrees Fahrenheit with a minimum of 17 degrees Fahrenheit. It provides hot water at a rate of 3.66 gallons per minute, with a minimum starting pressure of 3.6 psi and a maximum of 116 psi. Security protection. Our instant electric hot RV water heater comes with 6 safety protection settings, including overheat protection, dry combustion protection, antifreeze protection, low flow protection, flame fault protection, and high water pressure protection. Furthermore, the low flow protection feature ensures that the burner won't ignite unless the minimum working pressure has been reached. Lightweight portable design. Our compact and lightweight RV water heater is easy to carry, allowing you to enjoy an amazing hot shower after a long day of camping, RVNG, or bathing your pets. The shower head's one-button design ensures no water waste. Widely applicable, our water heater is perfect for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, fishing, and beaching, and provides safe and comfortable hot water all year round. The compact design is easy to carry and space-saving, while the tankless feature ensures an uninterrupted hot water supply. Use it to wash your pets or take a hot shower outside.